In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section in Hosting a Website Builder. If you're updating your website and want to remove a block that you no longer need, the good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple. Whether it's an old banner, a text area, an image section, or any other content block, you can delete it in just a few clicks once you know where to look. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. After you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and looking at the website you want to edit. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one site. Next, click on Website. This will take you to the area where your website projects are listed and managed. From there, find the site you want to work on and select Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can make changes directly to your site layout and content. Once the editor loads, look through your page and locate the specific section that you want to delete. It helps to scroll slowly and identify the exact block before clicking anything, especially if your page has multiple sections that look similar. You want to be sure you're removing the right one. When you find the section, click on it. After selecting it, you should see the editing controls for that section appear. Among those controls, you will see a delete icon. This is the option used to remove that section from the page. Go ahead and click the delete icon. As soon as you do that, the section will be removed. And that's how you delete a section in Hostinger Website Builder. A useful tip here is to double-check the page after deleting the section, so you can make sure the remaining layout still looks clean and organized. Sometimes removing one section changes the spacing between other elements, so it's always a good idea to quickly review the page before moving on. If everything looks good, you can continue editing other parts of your site as needed. Deleting unused sections is a great way to keep your website more focused, cleaner, and easier for visitors to navigate. That's all it takes. As long as you open your Hostinger account, click Website, choose Edit Website, select the section you want to remove, and click the delete icon, you'll be able to clean up your page in just a moment.